The Tool Lending Library is a program where LA County residents can check up to 6 tools out at once for up to 7 days. So our Tool Lending Library launched in May of 2022, and over 1,700 items have been checked out. Our program is located at 5 libraries: Compton, Lancaster, Rosemead, San Fernando, and Norwalk.
So I frequent the library, and the awesome manager at the library let me know that they have a tool renting program. So I inquired about what tools they had, and they were tools that I wanted to use, and so I had the opportunity to rent them. Because there are some home improvement stores that you can rent, but they charge you. So knowing that you can come to the library and rent them for free is definitely a financial savings, and also they're easy to use.
Some of the most popular tools for checkout are the power washing machine, Cricut machine, sewing machine, bike repair kit.
The Cricut machine I've rented twice, and the sewing machine I've rented twice.
You can find our information at lacountylibrary.org/tools.